What's up everybody, welcome back to Garage Gym Gainz. If you're new to the channel, this is where we talk about pretty much everything home gym related. So what we do is we go through and we review, or react is probably a better word for it. We react to other people's home gyms. Monday and Wednesday, we're looking at subscribers' home gyms, and then Friday, we're taking a look at celebrity and influencers' home gyms. So if that's something that interests you, if you want a home gym, you have a home gym, just looking for ideas or just passing time, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss anything. If you want your gym on the channel, go through the link down below and follow those steps. Today, we are taking a look at Gonzalo's home gym. He's had it for, let's see what it is here, 1 year, and he spent about 5,000 euros on it. Very excited for this one. Let's check it out.
Hello everybody. This is Gonzalo. I'm an Argentinian living in Austria. This is my apartment and this is my home gym.
All right, so it's been a while, pause it right here, it's been a while since we've seen a apartment home gym or a home gym that's not either in a basement or in a garage. So this looks like it's probably a spare bedroom, office type area. So most likely a little bit smaller space, which is a little bit different than what we've been seeing lately. So I'm very excited to see what Gonzalo has done with the space. All right.
It's not a big room, approximately 3 meters by 3 meters.
I like it. So right off the bat, probably has one of the best views that anybody has in their home gym. There was one video we had, it was a big shed, or shed might be the wrong word, but it was a separate building from the house and it overlooked like a valley and you could see mountains and stuff. That was cool, but this one's very cool as well.
And I'm going to start on this corner. A little motivational quote from Rocky Balboa. Here we have a bench, a flat bench, just a cheap one. It's not super sturdy, but it does the job.
Whoa.
Then we have the rack. It's a Rogue bolted, I think it's an RM3. It's not bolted to the ground, there's no need. This is an Eleiko XF bar. We bought a set with bump plates. I think it came with 128 kilos originally. I just added a pair of 20 kilos more. Here we have gymnastic rings. I'm an ex-gymnast, so I really like doing some body weight exercises.
I don't know how many of you have played around with Olympic rings, gymnastic rings, but they're intense. There's quite a bit of stuff you can do on them, and it takes some serious strength.
Here we have a Rogue home gym clock, stopwatch.
I didn't realize you could get those with a stand. It makes sense and also very cool.
Some Jacobs. Originally it came with the safety pins, but I upgraded to the safety straps.
Solid choice. I am team strap all the way as well.
And it's just so much better. It protects the bar. I can squat, I can bench, I can do all kinds of stuff with no fear. I can go all out. And when I train alone, I'm safe. On this corner, we have some wall storage from Rogue. A dip belt, some elastic bands for mobility and warm up. The T bar, great piece of equipment, getting stronger. This is an Eleiko bar pad. I don't use it very much. I don't like the feel of it. I just want to feel the bar on the back. And this is a Rogue Storage 2.0, 43 inches I think. We have some hex dumbbells from 2.5 kilos to 15. Here we have the other 2 pairs. Some kettlebells, competition kettlebells. These are 220s, 124 and 132 kilos. Some parallels. Slam board. Some knee training and stretching. We have Rogue Matador. And my favorite piece of equipment in the gym, that's the Eleiko up and deadlift bar. I just got it a couple of weeks ago and it's just amazing.
So I haven't actually used the open-end Eleiko deadlift bar or trap bar before, but I've heard absolutely awesome things about it. It seems like everybody loves it. So if you have the opportunity to pick one of those up, I would definitely recommend it, I would say, based on other people's thoughts on it. But looks like a sweet bar. Everything Eleiko makes is super high quality, so you really can't go wrong with any of it.
The quality, the feel, easy to load. It's just amazing. Conventional deadlifts are not so good on my back. I tried sumoing, but once you've tried this bar, there's no going back. Here I can do my pull-ups, weighted pull-ups. There's enough space between the rack and the roof. I mostly do the big lifts, bench, presses, deadlift, squats, some accessory work, some body weight work. And it all started with a couple of kettlebells and some elastic bands. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We have some plans. And I'm on the 6th floor. You can see the mountains. And that's it. It's a small room, but it's all that I need. Thank you very much. Peace out.
All right. Gonzalo, first off, thank you so much for sending that gym in. That is probably one of the most efficiently put together smaller home gyms that we've seen on the channel. Honestly, I mean, I'm trying to think of anything that I would do differently, and I can't really think of it. You could possibly go power blocks to save, or some type of adjustable dumbbell to save a little bit of space, but you don't really gain enough space to do anything else with that space. So, man, I think you nailed it. Super awesome. Thank you so much for sending that in. That was an incredible way to utilize your space there. But everybody comment down below what your favorite part of his gym was, and then I will let you know as well. My favorite part was the view. I don't know if that counts. I always say that, but I mean, I make the rules, so it's going to absolutely incredible view. I don't know my geography very well, so I couldn't even take a guess as to where that was. So hopefully you can let us know if you watch this video, Gonzalo. But really awesome gym. And again, just thank you for sending that in. If you have a home gym, make sure you like and subscribe so that your home gym has good vibes. Right? Maybe? I don't know, but if you're searching for home gym equipment, go through the links down below. It does support the channel. And as always, if you want your home gym to be on the channel, go through the links down below as well. You'll find one that says, do you want your home gym on the channel? Click the link, whatever, and it'll walk you through step by step how to record the video, how to upload it, and how to get it to me. So that's it. We'll see you next time on Garage Gym Gains.